भीमातीर्निवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंग प्रकाशाय विठलाय नमो नमः. मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंदतीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः. Dear children of God, Jai Sri Krishna, Namaste. It is the 152nd day since the nationwide lockdown started. As I looked at the world around us, this thought came to me. There are so many diseases in this large world, affecting body, mind, and spirit. To search for doctors in all these fields and to get the right medicines for all of them and to treat them individually seems a very tall order. I remembered a phrase from Srimad Bhagavatam, Tapatraya Vinashaya Shri Krishnaya Vayam Numaha, and I conclude Lord Krishna is the only universal therapy for all our various ailments. Doctors who are well established in their field have conducted several experiments and come to the conclusion that it is not the medicine that cures the patient, it is his mindset and his faith in the medicine which does the magic. We have come to know that pure distilled water has been injected and person has miraculously recovered. If this can happen without faith in God, how much more will happen if the person submits to the Lord? In these days of the pandemic, sit still for a while. Do pray to the Lord. I call him Krishna. Do not feel proud that you are not tested positive. Pray for all and pray for your bodily protection. A strange immunity booster this prayer will be, and you will remain safe and healthy always. This is not a dogmatic statement. Practice it yourself. Then the body can be protected against infections and diseases, leaving you healthy for sadhana. Then comes the disease of the mind, as I say. The mind is our best friend and worst enemy. It can make you fly sky high or jump hell deep. Do not allow the mind to rule. Allow the Lord to rule it with prayer. Once the Lord takes over, you are in safe hands. The right thoughts will follow, which mean the right actions will be taken, which in turn means our life will run smooth and safe, not allowing us to fall into the abyss of despair, which is the haunt of the despondent. Krishna's name is a mascot, a talisman, which saves you from the devil called depression and keeps you happy and safe and unaffected. Then comes the disease of the spirit. By itself, the spirit is unaffected. It is Sat, Chit, and Ananda. It's blissful and free, but while caught in the cage of the body, the divine bird is prevented from heavenly flights. It is curbed, cabined, confined. The mind takes over and makes the spirit seem weak. I call it a moral usurpation by the mind. It is the spirit which has to rule and not the assistant called the mind, which is quixotic, moody, unsteady. Once the spirit takes over, the government of life runs smooth. No sign of anarchy, no rebellion. It is peace, peace all the way. मिटा दो मिटा दो मिटा दो अशांति और द्वेष को मिटा दो, बढ़ा दो बढ़ा दो बढ़ा दो, प्रेम और शांति को बढ़ा दो. चाहे आओ उत्तर से या चाहे आओ दक्षिण से, चाहे आओ पूरब से या चाहे आओ पश्चिम से, बढ़ा दो बढ़ा दो बढ़ा दो, शांति और प्रेम को बढ़ा दो. Thank you.